Welcome to Recreation SolidWorks CADCam Practice 24. Today we are going to create 3D render model part 8. So here is the detailed drawing of the 3D model part 8. So we have the side view, front view and top view. Analyzing this detailed drawing, we can see that we can use both Extrude and CADCam to create this model. So today I am going to teach you the simplest way to create this model using the features from the top view. So we are going to do the first feature, or we are going to draw the first feature of this and followed by this. So we are going to separate into part 1 and part 2. So we can start with our drawing. So I'm going to start with selecting the top plane, create a new sketch, and I'm going to using the command line to draw the part 1 shape, something like this. So before I'm going to add the dimension to this part, I'm going to make sure this line and this line are horizontal in relation. So I'm going to select these 2 points by clicking and hold control, select these 2 points, and I'm going to add relation horizontal. And then I'm going to add the dimension. It's about, the height is 28. So the length is also 28. And you can see that the width of this 7 and this one also 7. And the height of this one also 7. Okay, now you can see that our sketch is still on underdefined. So the relation is not added to this line. So I'm going to select again this point and this point and going to add relation horizontal. And you can see that now it's related to each other. So we already have the fully defined sketch. We are going to exit sketch and we are going to use the extrude boss feature and we are going to extrude this sketch. So the height of this sketch also 28. And click. So we created the part 1 feature of the sketch or the 3D render model part 8. And now we are going to create the part 2 model and using the same top plane. Exit sketch. We are going to create a new sketch and we are going to create the part 2 over the right hand side of the model. So I'm going to use the command line and create the shape of the model. So it is okay. To create the semicircle, you can see the line is straight. So you again drag back the pointer to the point. You can see that it's changed to the circle, and now you can create a circle, semicircle, using the line command. And I'm going to complete the shape. So I'm going to make sure the point is coincide with the edge of this shape. And now we have the shape, and I'm forget to create the line over here. Now we have the complete sketch in a closed loop, and then I'm going to give the dimension for this. Before that, I'm going to add a center line from the mid point of this line to the center of the semicircle, and then I'm going to make sure the center line is horizontal. Okay, this is because we can make sure that this line and this line at the same width. Now we are going to add the relation to the circle. The radius is 7 and the length or the width of this line is 14. So we cannot add the relation over here because we already give the relation to the circle. So click cancel and straight away we can add the relation over here, and also cannot because it's related to here. So I found it. I'm going to add the length of this line, which is 22. And then make sure this line and this line are vertically related. Click on the point, control, click on this point and add relation vertical. And now finally we are going to add the length of this one, which is 7. Alright, so our sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch, go to the extrude base feature and we are going to extrude it until 7. And finally we complete our 3D model random part 8. So using the detailed drawing, we can separate the drawing or the model into parts to ease us to create this 3D model, such as I separated this detailed drawing into part 1 and part 2 and created the 3D model using the simple method. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.